It is so heartwarming to listen to that, to be thanked for it, to see gratitude in their eyes. It definitely gives a high. But challenges are a continuous process in Indian Spinal Injuries Center.
Mrunmaiy, a super active girl from Nagpur, a systematic professional, used to handle a lot of activities and events at work. But one accident jolted her entire life. While traveling with her mom and dad on the Mumbai highway, a truck rammed into the car and she met with a neck fracture, causing her to be paralyzed completely.
After the operation, I moved around 3 hospitals in Nagpur because none of them were equipped to rehabilitate someone with an SCI. After a lot of research, we found out about the Indian Spinal Injuries Center in New Delhi, and that's how I reached here.
With years of experience backing our famed expertise and clinical practices, we bring forth not only an in-depth understanding of the physical status of the patient, but also his mental health. We go much beyond just treating them. We seek opportunities to connect with them at all levels to bring an increase in the satisfaction and gratification level of these patients.
As soon as I came here, I was shifted from the ambulance bed to the hospital wheelchair, and it was so smooth that I immediately knew I was in the right place.
No matter where you are and what you specialize in, you should never forget that it is our patients who are going to be benefited from everything which we do. She came as a challenge to us, and we were ready with our advice, reassurance and support.
I'm extremely thankful to all the physiotherapists, occupational therapists, peer counselors and rehab counselors who have helped me to get back to life.
All the patients who come to us, they have been needing some sort of solution that how they can be more independent, how they can be more self-reliant. They should not be depending on their caregiver or family members during their household work or their study or education or their businesses. So whatever the working they're doing, we want them to achieve full independent life.
During this time, I also worried about how will I get back to work when I can't even type on my laptop. That's when the head of the Assistive Technology Center introduced me to a splint. That helped me to use the laptop and my mobile phone by myself. Now there was something that I could do independently, and this helped me to build my confidence back.
Now she was back to her normal lifestyle and started traveling once again. The pandemic came as an opportunity and club throw came as an option that enticed her towards fitness, and she started practicing. We are glad to share that she represented India as a Paralympic athlete internationally in the F51 category.
Now I have won silver medals at the 3rd Indian Open Para-Athletic Championship as well as its 4th edition. I also won a bronze medal at the National Championship. This year, I represented India at the World Para-Athletic Championship in Paris and also the Italian Grand Prix.
Psychosocial responses to the injury have a huge impact on the entire rehabilitation process and community integration of a person and the family, and they need to be taken into account and successfully addressed for us to see them with just a very optimum quality of life, so that they're able to function as wholesome individuals.
My advice to those who have recently got a spinal cord injury is that please find a decent rehab center where you can go, like ISIC, because we have to learn a lot of things from the beginning. Then please find and meet other people with spinal cord injuries so that you can learn from their experiences. And finally, don't let your disability come in between your dreams and desires. You can still achieve everything, just the way that you do things is going to be different now.
Indian Spinal Injuries Center cares with human touch.